Hello guys, how are you? It's very hot outside. I feel breathless. And today I want to share a new software with you. It calls Aztec Skype record. Okay, let's start from I open a window of this one. There is an extra program. It means sound test services. It means you can test your microphone, the speakers sound, whether it's loud or low. And if you want to leave a message, you can click this one, and it will help you to connect to the sound test services. You can say something to her about your feeling of the Skype. I don't know what's wrong with this, but if you got in the working hour, it will get through to her. It's a very nice, warm voice. You can feel closer to her. So if it's successful, you will see anything you like to test your sound. And then you can see here your sound will be recorded at this list. You see, this name is my phone call to my Skype friends. So this is the list record on here. If you want to repeat, to encode the sound, encode the recorder again and again, you can click this one and it show here. So yes, this is all. This kind of Skype recorder you can buy online. Yeah, you can. Also, you can log in my Skype blogger to click the link. You can get it. Okay, it's done here. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow.